Create an isPam function using the const keyword and arrow syntax. The function should take a single parameter message and implicitly return the false for now. Now we know that arrow syntax is looks like this, and we also know that we have to declare a const keyword, and the function name would be isPam. Okay, and it says the parameter should be message or MSG. So we input the parameter as MSG, and it should implicitly return false for now. The word implicitly means to automatically return, so we get rid of those curly braces, false, and input false. And we also have to input equals here because this is a function. So we have an isPam function with the parameter MSG, which implicitly returns the false. False rather. Nice.